ESG engagement and shareholder advocacy play a pivotal role in driving positive change within organizations and society as a whole. Collaborative initiatives are particularly effective in fostering ESG improvements, as they bring together multiple stakeholders to work towards a common goal. In this part of our ESG tutorial, we explore various approaches to collaborative initiatives for ESG improvement. One effective way to drive ESG improvement is through building cross-industry coalitions. These coalitions consist of companies from various sectors that collaborate to address shared ESG challenges. By pooling resources, knowledge, and expertise, these coalitions can create meaningful impact. They often undertake joint research projects, establish best practices, share data and insights, and collectively advocate for policy changes. Collaborating with non-profit organizations and non-governmental organizations, NGOs, can significantly contribute to ESG improvement. These organizations often have a deep understanding of social and environmental issues, and they work closely with communities affected by corporate practices. By partnering with non-profits and NGOs, companies can gain valuable insights, establish partnerships, and leverage their expertise to drive positive change. Collaborations can take the form of joint initiatives, operational partnerships, or funding support for impactful projects. Shareholders play a crucial role in influencing corporate behavior. Collaborative shareholder engagement involves institutional investors, asset managers, and other stakeholders working together to influence companies' ESG practices. This approach often involves dialogues, engagement letters, and resolutions that are collectively supported by multiple shareholders. By leveraging their pooled resources and influence, shareholders can push for changes in corporate behavior and policies that prioritize ESG factors. Sector-specific initiatives bring together companies operating within the same industry to tackle shared environmental and social challenges. These initiatives focus on developing industry-specific standards, best practices, and benchmarks to address ESG risks and opportunities. By establishing common guidelines and goals, companies can collaborate on research and development, share knowledge, and collectively address sustainability and compliance challenges. Collaboration between companies and regulatory bodies is crucial for achieving systemic change. By engaging in constructive dialogue with regulators and policymakers, companies can help shape regulations and frameworks that promote sustainable and responsible business practices. Collaborative initiatives can take the form of roundtable discussions, working groups, or joint research projects aimed at informing policy development. Companies can also drive ESG improvements by collaborating with their supply chain partners. By extending ESG requirements and commitments to suppliers and vendors, companies can encourage responsible practices throughout the value chain. Collaborative initiatives can involve joint auditing, capacity-building programs, or supplier engagement platforms to promote transparency, accountability, and positive social and environmental impacts. In summary, collaborative initiatives are essential for driving ESG improvement and promoting sustainable business practices. By building cross-industry coalitions, engaging with nonprofits and NGOs, collectively advocating as shareholders, establishing sector-specific initiatives, engaging with regulatory bodies, and collaborating with supply chain partners, organizations can make a meaningful impact on their ESG performance. These collaborative efforts contribute to a more sustainable and responsible corporate sector while addressing critical societal and environmental challenges.